Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to Week 5 Spelling. This week, we are looking at the digraph TT, which makes the sound T, as in the word letter. The digraph, remember, is 2 letters that makes one sound. Okay, I want you to say the word letter. A letter is a written, typed, or printed type of communication. Let's look at the sounds that we can hear in the word letter. We can hear the sound L, E, T, R. You can see here that the digraph TT is making the single sound T. You can also see that we have another digraph in this word, which is ER. Now in this word letter, the digraph ER is making the sound R. The letters are L, E, T, T, E, R. What part of this word do you think we need to remember? If you said the digraph TT, you would be correct. If you also said the digraph ER, you also would be correct. As we know in this word, the digraph TT is making the sound T, and the digraph ER is making the sound R. Okay, have a turn at spelling the word without looking at it. The word is letter. Let's say the word attach. Attach means to join or fasten an object to another object. Let's look at the sounds that we can hear in the word attach. We can hear a, t, a, ch. You can see that the digraph TT is making that single sound T. You can also see the digraph CH, which makes the sound ch. A, TT, A, CH. What part of this word do you think we need to remember? If you said the digraph TT, you would be correct. The digraph TT is making the single T sound in the word attach. If you said the digraph CH, you would also be correct, as it's making the single sound ch. Okay, pause the video and have a turn at spelling the word attach without looking at it. Let's say the word clutter. Clutter means an untidy collection of things. I wonder if your bedroom has a clutter. Let's look at the sounds that we can hear in the word clutter. We can hear k, l, a, t, r. We can see that the digraph TT is making the single sound t. We can also see again the digraph ER is making the sound R. C-L-U-T-T-E-R. C-L-U-T-T-E-R. Clutter. What part of this word do you think you need to remember? If you said the digraph TT, which makes the T sound, you would be correct. You would also be correct if you said the digraph ER, which makes the sound R. This one is a little bit tricky, and some of us might get stuck on this one and accidentally put an A. Please remember it's the digraph ER, which is making the R sound. Okay, pause the video and have a turn at spelling the word without looking at it. Let's say the word attract. Attract. Attract means to cause someone to have a liking or interest in something. Usually an amusement park will try and attract visitors to it so that you are interested in going. Let's look at the sounds that we can hear. We can hear the sound a, t, r, a, k, t. We can see that the digraph TT is making that single sound T. Please don't get confused and put a double T at the end. It's just the digraph TT at the beginning here that is making that single sound T. The letters are A, T, T, R, A, C, T. A, T, T, R, A, C, T. What part of this word do you think you need to remember? If you said the digraph TT, you would be correct. Remember, the digraph TT is making the single sound T in the word attract. Pause the video and have a turn at spelling the word attract without looking at it. This time, I would like you to have a turn at going through each step on your own, starting with the word pattern. Say the word, give a meaning to the word. You may need a dictionary. Analyze the word. Remember, look at the sounds and then look at the letters. What part do you need to remember? Now have a turn at spelling the word without looking at it. Say the word written. Find a dictionary and find the meaning of written. Analyze it. What sounds can you hear? What's the digraph? And what letters make up the word written? What part do you need to remember? Have a turn at spelling the word without looking at it. The final word that I want you to have a turn at going through is the word regrettable. Say the word regrettable. Find the meaning of it. Analyze it. What part do you need to remember? Now teach it to me. Have a turn at spelling the word regrettable without looking at it. In your spelling focus words this week, you can see that they all are focusing on the digraph TT, which makes a single sound T. The words are letter, attack, pattern, attach, battery, clutter, written, attract, mattress, tattoo. The challenge words are also focusing on the digraph TT, and they are attractive, settlement, regrettable, admittable, and attention. These sight words do not have the digraph TT, and these are words that may focus on other digraphs that we have already previously worked on. Night, goes, walk, change, and does. I hope you have fun learning all your spelling words this week, Year 4, and good luck in your Friday spelling test. Happy spelling!